How to add send message button on Facebook page post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your Facebook page. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your name, which will open your profile. In here, scroll down and click on what's on your mind. After you've clicked on what's on your mind, in here, at the bottom, click on Photo Video. After you've clicked on Photo Video, select the photo you want to add. After that, at the bottom right corner, click on three dots. In here, click on Get Messages. After you've clicked on Get Messages, simply click on Next at the top right corner of your screen. If you want to add any caption, you can add. Then click on Post at the top right corner of your screen. After it's posted, you will find Get Message option at the bottom. And this is how to add Send Message button on Facebook page post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.